ClickFunnels 2.0 How to Create High Converting Sales Funnel 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about ClickFunnels 2.0. So ClickFunnels 2.0 is basically a website where you can create sales funnel and getting people to your website and turning them into happy paying customers is what you're going to do. Now, for ClickFunnels 2.0, zero computer skills are needed, works for every type of business, and you can market, sell, and deliver like a total pro. Now, obviously, you can come down here and you can see all the different features that ClickFunnels give you, like, proven funnel templates, drag and drop editor, you have high converting checkout, member areas and courses, analytics and insights, A/B test splitting. So, you have a lot of things, and you can also see why a funnel, all this stuff that goes on around here. But we're going to discuss this further on in the video. Let me just get straight into the funnel bit. So first of all, let's go ahead and discuss the pricings, because obviously that's one of the most important aspects of, starting into a program. So once you're over here, as you can see, you can get three different plans: the basic plan, the pro plan, and the funnel hacker plan. Now, basically, the basic plan, obviously, it's $127 per month. Okay. The pro plan is $157 per month, and the funnel hacker plan is $208 per month. So it's actually, in my opinion, like a good steal. Like, honestly, lesser than other funnel plans, because obviously ClickFunnels 2.0 gives you good plans. The other sales funnel platforms out there, they will give you plans, but it would be pretty expensive. But the only downside to this is that ClickFunnels doesn't have a free plan. It does have free trials, though. You can go on a free trial to see if, something that you're going to opt is actually going to work for you or not. So you can always, check that stuff out using a free trial. So basically, once you come over here, you can see that every plan has its own discrete features: one website, 20 funnels, one admin user, one domain, 3 courses, 1,000 students, 10,000 contacts, unlimited workflows, pages, products, email sequences, analytics, maintenance mode plan. And then obviously you can get more stuff over here: one website, 100 funnels, 5 admin users, 3 domains, 15 courses, 10,000 students, 25,000 contacts. And accordingly, same with this. So the plans keep on, as the money increases, the features increase as well, obviously, naturally. So you can go with that, and obviously do make sure to check out the monthly plans as well. Like, this was the annual, but this is the monthly. Now, once we've discussed about that, let's go ahead and click on try for free. Now, once you click on try for free, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to, enter your details. So start your 14-day free trial now. No risks, no contracts, and no long-term commitment. Cancel anytime, hassle-free. Now, what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself, okay? Now, the reason I'm using a temp mail is because obviously I'm going to dispose of this account after this video, so that's why a temp mail is kind of necessary to me. But if you're doing this for the long run, then I recommend that you use your proper email, okay? Don't use a temp mail if you're doing this for the long run. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here as so. I'm going to click on continue. Now, once you've added your emails and stuff and you clicked on continue, it's going to take you over here. So ClickFunnels, enabling people to grow their companies through sales funnel. Obviously, then it's going to ask you to sign up with everything, join 100,000 plus entrepreneurs and stuff. Do know this, that it's going to ask you for your card number and details. So do make sure to be prepared to enter this. Do remember this, that it's highly trustworthy. Like, it won't cut anything out of your card. So totally don't worry. So go ahead with the free 14-day trial, add your credit card details, and click on start your free trial. Now, once you've, headed into your free trial and everything, from there on out, what's going to happen is you're going to start getting all these features. But one of the biggest features, ClickFunnels give you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. But one of its most important features, which is the one that we're here for, is the sales funnel. So convert your visitors into paying customers. Again, we came here. So why do I need sales funnel? You want more leads and customers. The best way to do that is a funnel. Now, the good news is that ClickFunnels, the original funnel builder and the best platform on the planet at creating sales funnel. And then obviously you have tons and tons of ways. So the first is obviously attract your dream customers. Attract visitors from all over the internet, including Google, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and other sites. And send them through your funnel. Effortlessly turn your visitors into leads and turn them into actual paying customers. Then you have guide visitors down the buyer's journey step by step. Maximize your profits and conversions as you take your leads through the buyer's journey of your funnel. Once through, watch your skills skyrocket with high converting upsell and downsell pages. Sell anything quicker and easier. Build your funnel once and collect sales over and over again. Let your funnel do the heavy lifting for you while you watch your leads grow. Increase conversions and your sales skyrocket through the stratosphere. Get your message and solutions out to the world. Offer your unique products, services, and solutions to as many people as possible. Point your audience directly to one product or service they need the most to help solve their biggest problems. Then obviously that's like most of it when it comes to sales funnel. And obviously once you come in what's included, you can see all these things that come with ClickFunnels 2.0, but obviously in retrospect to the sales funnel, that's what we're gonna get. Now when it comes to making sales funnel, obviously the normally sales funnel, let me show you what normally sales funnel actually look like. So a sales funnel will normally look like this. Okay, so the funnel will basically start with awareness, internet, intent, consideration, decision, but obviously this will depend on the type of workspace you have. So obviously first of all there's awareness. Now what ClickFunnels does is obviously for you, it's not going to be too complicated. It's going to basically spread awareness for you, do your marketing. Then there's going to be your interest. It's going to see the interest that people are going to have in your pages. Then it's going to take into consideration those interests. Then obviously intent, then evaluation will be done. And then finally purchases will be made. Now, obviously in some funnels, loyalty also comes. In some funnels, action and all this stuff, it depends on funnel to funnel. But like the main funnel depends on whatever your workspace is. You're going to tell them all the details you need for the funnel you want. Like tell the people at ClickFunnels 2.0 that I want this. And obviously do remember that there's two types. There's ClickFunnels Classic and ClickFunnels 2.0. Remember that you're going to want to log in with ClickFunnels 2.0 because we're going to be working with that. We're not going to be working with the normal Classic ClickFunnels. The Classic ClickFunnels were good and all, but trust me, ClickFunnels 2.0 brings you features that you might have never seen before. Like it's that good and it works that well. And trust me, you won't regret using ClickFunnels for your sales funnel. But yeah, that's basically about it for this video. If you enjoy watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.